Hello, Dan Araujo with CRT. I'm doing the Central Sound paging training. This is per system 275123. What we're looking at now, this is the web GUI for the actual message server. So you can access this by going to the IP address, which is 1034.10.20, or through the 102B tool. When you select this card, there's an option to access web interface. So right now, default, the user is admin. The password is 4CC3SS. It is the word access with numbers instead of vowels. So this will be where you guys actually build and work with the bell tones and schedules. So I'm going to go ahead and come down here to editors. And I'll walk you through this. First, what you have to do is go into Event Editor. And you can create an event here. This would be what is activated on your schedule. The event is the bell tone, or the fire alarm tone, or whatever you guys would want to activate through this system. And then we go into Schedule Editor. You can see I've got, these were the two schedules that were supplied to me. Standard is the one that we're running right now. I'll go ahead and hit that. So these are the times that the event will happen and the event itself that will happen and how long. So what we'll do is, if you wanted to change this, you can either click and edit, or we'll go to Add Event.
Hey, Randy, it's not in DOS.
And then here, you have to select the event that you want to happen, which you can either go and you can create the event here through building either an audio file or there's any of the other things that you can control through the system. So there's the relays, you can set up test rooms, you can set this up to stop something if you guys wanted to do like a test fire alarm, you could set a fire alarm to go off at a certain time and have it repeat, and then set up another event to stop it after a certain amount of time. And then the start time, it does go by 24-hour time, so if you're doing like an 8 o'clock, it does need to say 08, and then you can go all the way down to minute and second. If you have it set to repeat, you can set how often you want it to repeat. That is the repeat interval. Stop is when you want it to stop that. Or what events you can actually set. So you can set a main event here. So if you wanted your bell tone to go off, and then you had the Pledge of Allegiance saved, you can set it to go after the bell tone in the same event.
What's he gonna do in the morning?
No. That's interesting. That's good.
I like that.
And you can, through this, you can delete events, duplicate events, if you wanted to set off that now. So we can click the bell tone and click execute now. And then if it was something that was continuing, you can tell it to stop, or you can tell it to stop all. Go ahead and turn that off. I'm having an issue connecting to the system.